Welcome back to another tutorial. In this one, I'll be showing you how to switch test networks in the Solflare wallet. First, go to your browser that you have the Solflare wallet in. If you don't have it installed, I have a tutorial in the top right corner that you can just click. Super simple and easy, only takes about 2 minutes. Once you're in your browser, click on the puzzle piece, then click on the Solflare wallet. It's going to prompt you for your password. Just give it your password. Then click on the gear icon in the bottom right corner. Then click on network. Then click on testnet and proceed. Your current assets, Solana, will disappear, and don't worry, this is perfectly normal. It will be replaced with your test network balance. Once you switch back, if I go back here to the mainnet, your balance will reappear. However, I do not have any balance in this account, so it's going to just display 0. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe for more. I work hard on these videos, and I got a new microphone, so that took me quite a while to figure out. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.